Hi, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mayer with Entrepreneur Freedom, where I show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or to even start one. So in today's video, we're going to build out an automation that you can use Canva to help you post onto your social media. It's simple and easy. It's really simple and easy to do. So this should take, for a person who is experienced, about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. The person who's not experienced, maybe 30 minutes. Okay. So the tools that you're going to need to build this out is you need Google Sheet. You are going to need a paid Canva account because some of the features in Canva that you're going to use only is in paid. Okay. Second, you're going to need an API code from OpenAI. And you're going to need to choose your Facebook social media, your social media account that you want to use. You can use this on anything. I'm using this on Facebook. Okay. So let's get started and let's build this out. So the first thing I want to show you is how to set up your Google Sheet. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to put all your content that you want to post on column A. Column B is what the content is going to, ChatGPT is going to create for your post. Okay. And then you have the status, and you have post ID, and you have post times, which I'll show you what that is in a minute. So if you want to create the content, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, you can use Plexity to create the content that you want to post. Okay. So use one of those to help you create the content. It's really good resources. Okay. So next thing I want to show you is how to set this up in Claude when you're, not Claude, Canvas when you're doing this. So create a folder and then create your document, your design inside there. Okay. So today I'm doing quotes. Okay. That's what I'm choosing to do. So what you're going to do is, oh yeah, by the way, when you create your content, take all of that and put it into a CSV file so you can upload that data into Canva. Okay. And I'm gonna show you how many. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna choose your design. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put all the information that you want. If you want your website on there, your logo on there, whatever, get all that done. You don't have to do that at once. Okay. Just get it all designed the way you want it to look. The fonts, everything, set it up. Once you do that, you're going to go into your applications and you're going to look for bulk creation. You're going to click on that. Again, you need a paid account. So what you're going to do is you're going to click upload data, and you're going to find your CS file, and you're going to click on it, and then you're going to hit open. And then you're going to click on that, and then hit continue. And then what is going to happen is it's going to upload all of those content that you want. For here, I have 25 rows, so upload all 25 rows. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit generate, and it's going to create multiple posts for you with that content. Okay, you can play around with it to make sure it's sized right, but if once you fixed it the first time, you should be good to go. Okay, so that's what it's going to do. Now it's going to duplicate all the images. Now, if you want to change the image, you're going to have to change the image manually. Do that now while you have a chance. But manually means that you're going to have to take this and take everything you created on the first one and put it back on the new image. It's not going to upload or change anything for you. You'll have to do that manually. Okay. So the bulk is you choose what image you want and it creates all of these. Okay. So just FYI, if you want to change image, I just advise you to, when you create this part, go in here and change your images on which ones you want to change it for. Okay. All right. So next thing after you've done all that, you're gonna go in and you're gonna go in and build out your automation. So you can go in the back end of the platform. If you have Make or you have Boost Space, whatever you have, this is the same, just go in the same way. So hit integrations, and then you're going to go into the back end of all of your automation that you built or the ones that are running, and then hit create from scratch. Okay. So the first module that you're going to be needing is you're going to need Google Sheets. Okay. So you basically connect your Google Sheets. Now, if you haven't connected your Google Sheets before, I will leave a link to show you step by step on how to integrate your Google into your Boost Space or Make. Okay. So what we're looking for is search for rows. You want this one, not this one. Okay, click on this. Move that over here as you can see. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some stuff to this so that way it will automatically connect from our Google Sheet to this. So once that's done, if you're connected, it should be simple and easy. Now what you're going to do is connect your ID, which is your sheet ID, which is this right here. That's your sheet ID. Okay. So you're going to go in here. You're going to look for it. Okay. And then it's going to open up another part, and then you're looking for the sheet. Okay, the sheet is the bottom part right here. Mine says sheet, whatever you name it, that's what you put. Okay, so mine is sheet. Then it's going to open up some more, and we're going to add one more thing here. Okay, so you're going to go to filters and you're going to click on filter and you're going to add status C. Okay. Then you're going to go down here to limits. You don't have to change anything here. You're going to go to limits. Limits is, if you see my videos, you know what that means. It's basically how many you want it to grab. If you wanted to grab 2 at a time, 1 at a time, 3 at a time, 4 at a time, whatever. That means it's going to post that many. So if you want 5 of them posted, it's going to post 5 at a time. Okay. So just put 1. That's what I'm doing. Do whatever you want. Okay. Hit OK. Hit save. Okay. Now the next module we need is Canva. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now when I built this out, there was a weirdness going on with Canva when I was connecting it. It might happen again when I'm doing this, so just be patient. Okay, so what we want is we want to export design. Okay, and if it's not connected, you basically hit this and hit Canva and hit save. And it's going to open up another window, and you're going to choose your Canva account. Again, you need a paid account, so hit OK. And then give it a second. Okay, once it does that, it's going to connect. And then what you're going to do is, reason why I said put it in a folder is that so that you can find it easily. Okay, so it's connected. So you're going to click on this on folder ID. You're going to look for the folder's name. There it is. And then the next thing you're going to look for is the project that you worked on, the name of the project, which is all your content. You're going to click on that, and you see that that's what it is. So this is inside that folder. Okay, so you click on that. Oh, there's no itches today. So that's good. So then what you're going to do, your format, you're going to do PNG, and loose lists, you're going to put no, and then you're going to export single item image no. Height, you're going to change it to 1,000. And width, you're going to change to 1,000 as well. Now page, you're going to put some information in here, which I'm going to just copy and paste, but I'm going to show you how to get it. Give me a second. Let me grab it. Now, if you want this this blueprint, let me know, because I'm starting a community where you can get all these builds and these blueprints and all that stuff very simple and easy. All you got to do is download the blueprint and connect everything. So if you're interested in getting this, I'm going to start starting a community soon that will have all these automations that I built. So if you want to get early access to that, there'll be a link at the bottom of the video where you can get Michael's resources, where you can get 3 templates, just 3 templates. And then when I open the community up, I will send you an email out to you to invite you into the community. Okay. So if you want to get that email, sign up for Michael's resources, and I'll have your email. And as soon as I start the group and launch it, I will send you early access to that. Okay. And usually it's probably going to be like a 3-day early access to everything in the group. Okay. So let's get back to this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to delete this and we're going to add row. Okay, now to get this part here, the summary, you're going to go up here, click on X, and then you're going to add summary first. Okay, then you're going to go in, you're going to go back here, put that there, and then you're going to go in and get the row from your Google Sheets, right? Then you're going to put a quotation, you're going to put -1. And the reason why you're putting a -1 is because you want it to start out on row number 2. This is just your title. You want it to start here. That's why you do that, okay? So that's all you have to do for that, okay? And hit OK, and then we're going to run it, and this should turn green. Now, again, I've been having trouble with this. Oh, perfect. I've been having trouble with this linking up with Canva, right? It's been acting weird. So it turned green. It's good. Okay, we're going to hit save, and we're going to add our next module. Our next module is going to be ChatGPT. Okay, and again, you need a open key code for that. Okay, all right, let's slide it over. Let's get ChatGPT, and we're going to add the prompt. That's the one we want. Okay. Now, if you've seen my videos before, you know that ChatGPT has been running a little slowish when it comes to connecting to this. I don't know why it's been doing that. So be very patient when you're doing this. Now, this build is real easy. Again, this is for a person who can probably do this in 20 minutes, and a person who's not experienced can probably do this in 15 minutes. It's up to you. You know, it's not very hard. So anyway, so you're going to choose your module, your model, choose whatever you want. I like 4.0 systems. It's perfect. I like it a lot. Okay. All right, and then we're waiting for this to open up. Again, see how slow it's running? It's very simple and easy. I don't know why it does that, but it was running really fast a few months ago. Now it's kind of slowing down a little bit. I think a lot of people are using ChatGPT, so it's kind of like connecting to it. It's the API. It's running a little slower because a lot of people are using it and stuff. So okay, so now that opened, you're going to hit message, and then you're going to hit roll. You're going to hit system development. Let me show you a little trick. You see that system development? They did that. They added on. If you want to get rid of development, you just hit map and it puts system only in there. Okay. Simple, easy. Okay. Now we're going to add the prompt. I have a prompt pre-written. And again, if you want all this, it will be in the community. Okay. So we're going to paste this in here. Okay. And then we're going to make sure it's all sorted. We're going to space it out nice and clean. We're going to go up here. We're going to put a space in here. Space in between there, go down here, space in between here, and a space in between here, and we'll do that, and we'll do that, and we'll do that. Okay, so just making sure that it's nicely spaced out, so that way it can read the prompt pretty well. So you're basically going to hit save on that. Oops, I hit OK and I messed up. So let's just wait for a second. Hold on a second. Give it a second. Okay. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Again, this is easy build, very simple and easy. It shouldn't take that long to build. Come on. Disconnecting to the systems, it seems like it's taking forever. Okay, there we go. All right. Now that's done. You got your prompt and everything. Let me clear that out to make sure there's no space now. Okay, so next thing you do is you're going to need to add another one, a message 2, and you're going to put user on here. Oops. Turn the map off here and put user. That's weird. Okay, and you're going to put a short little prompt in here, and you're going to put some other information. So I'm just going to grab this and grab a little extra prompt. Put that in there. Okay, so, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, and then you're going to get information from ChatGPT. And what you want to put in here is you want to, not ChatGPT. You want to get information here. So the post, and you want to get that from row 20, which is not row 20 technically. You want to put you want to put row. So let me find the row here. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Let me go back here. It's being foolish here a little bit. Okay. We want to put in here, we want to add this. Let me grab this prompt real quick here. Okay. And you want to grab, let's see, row, and we want to grab that right here, post. You want to grab the post row. Wait a minute, I grabbed the wrong one. Hold on a second. Oops. There we go. We want to put the quotes. You want to put the name of the first row, which is right here. Sorry about that. You want to put that, whatever the name you have here, you want to put that in there. Okay. And then you can put the small little short little prompt or whatever you want. Okay. And then you're going to, excuse me. And then you want to make sure that it's down here, that your text, it's formatted and that's correct. That doesn't change. And then right here, you want to put this to whatever you want. So I'm going to put 1,000. Okay. And then hit OK. And that should hit save, and then you can run it again. Okay, there it goes. It's running. Okay, there we go. Let's see something here. Let's refresh this. Can make sure. Okay, I just want to make sure that it didn't do anything. Okay, so this is all green. It's simple as that. Now what we need is our Facebook that we want to post it to, which is our social media. So I'm using Facebook. And this is just as simple. So what you want to do is create a post. That's what you're looking for. Okay, this is going to open up. Now, if you connected your social media already, it's already going to pop up. If you used Facebook before, it's simple. It's easy as that. So what you want to do is you choose your page, which I'm choosing that. And then the message, which I'm going to copy and paste this. And you're going to get this from ChatGPT. Okay. And I'm going to paste that in here and I'm going to show you where to get it from. So results. So you're going to go into ChatGPT and you're going to get results. Okay. Let me remove that. Sorry. And you're going to put results here. Okay. And that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Oh, I'm sorry. And you need link. Sorry about that. You need your link from your Canva. So you're going to look for the URL. Let's see. Link. There we go. It's the file link. Yes, you're going to put the file link right there from your Canva. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm going to skip that part. Hit OK. Hit save. And then hit run once. Simple as that. Okay, there we go. Nice and clean, nice and fresh. Okay. This is a really good automation because like if you have like I use quotes for mine. I like using quotes. I think it's a really good thing. Once in a while I like to post. So that's why I like this build, this automation, because I can post different quotes from different people and use the same image, and people, if people clicking on it and liking it, then it's working. You know what I'm saying? So that's a good thing. So there's the information you can check out here, and this is what it's giving. This is what ChatGPT gave, and it's right here. Okay. So let me do one thing real quick here so we can check the results. Let's see. Let me log into my Facebook account real quick here. Oh, that's not the one. Okay, log out. Log into my other one. Okay, real quick here. 2 seconds. Here we go. Okay, and let's go to entrepreneur. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. I did that early today. If you can see this, what it looks like. Okay, so see. Okay, so what we want to do is want to see more posts come out of it. Okay, so now we got one more module real quick here. And we got Google Sheets. And then remember I told you we had some other stuff in here, and this is why we doing that, because we wanted to put a timestamp and all that stuff in there. Okay, and we want to make sure that it only does that content once, posts it once, and creates this once. As you can see, I did this already too, but again, I have other ones, you see. So, but again, I'm going to show you. So we're going to put this here. We're going to leave that right there, and we're going to put done here. Okay, because it already did that for me, so we're good with that one. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back in here, and we're going to add one more, and we're going to add another Google Sheets. Okay, and this one is you're going to do update row. Let's slide it over here so you can see it. Again, the path is going to be the same. It's going to add a few extra things. Okay, so you're going to need your Google Sheets. Okay, oops, let me go back in here. Okay, find your Google Sheet. Simple and easy. Let's move this up a little bit because this is going to be long. Okay, let's find our sheet. Oops. Why is it not finding my sheet? Very strange. Update row. Where's my Google Sheet? See, again, well, every time you try to do a video right away, it messes up. Google Drive, Google Sheet. Okay, let's find the sheet. But you learn as you build. This is what happens when you build stuff. You learn stuff as you go. And that's not finding my sheet. That's very strange. Okay, so let's go through here and see where my sheet, I know my sheet would be at. Okay, give me a second. Oops. Again, when you're building out stuff like this, it's crazy how it does this. So sometimes you have to I've saved my sheets inside folders, so when I need them, they're there. But for some reason, this is acting crazy. So there we go. We got the sheet. Okay. All right. So let's go in here and let's go down here. This is the sheets. Okay. Now we need to add some stuff to this. Okay. So row number, we're going to add we're going to get that from Google Sheets. The first one, it's a row number. Okay. So what we're looking for is row. So we're going to put that here, row. Okay. And then down here where it says for B, we want to get this from ChatGPT, which is the results. So we're going to go up here to ChatGPT and we want to get the results because that's where it's coming in. Okay. And then we want to go down to D, which is the timestamp, and we want to put in a timestamp, and we want to get that from Facebook. Okay, so that's where it says post ID. So we want to get that from Facebook. So you're going to put post ID there. Okay. And then we got one more, and then we want to put a calendar. Okay, so that's the timestamp. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to go up here, and you're going to hit a calendar, and then you're going to choose now. That's where you're going to get that right here. You're going to click on, I'll show it again. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on the calendar here, and then you're going to hit now. Okay. Close that out. This is what is, again, this is what's going to do. It's going to put information in here. It's going to put these timestamps, and I'll show you how that looks. Again, I'm not going to a whole lot of details. You know how my videos are, people. I don't go into depth. I just show you quickly how to build this out and get it done. Okay, so that's all you need. So hit OK, hit save, and we're going to run it. And oops, there's a glitch, and I think I know why. So let's go back to my Google Sheets here. Take that out, and let's run it again. Yep, because it's doing it in order from 1, 2, 3, 4. Because since I've ran this already, it's not allowing me to not run it again because it's already chosen that picture in Canva. And I noticed that's what was one of the glitches. So what it's going to do is just going to repost this onto my social media. I'll refresh the page here. Let's go. Let's see, post. See, so right here's the post. It just posted right now. So I'm going to delete this because I posted this. It's posted it twice. See, and I posted it 2 days ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this after I get done with that. So that's what that does, and that's the finished product. And then you see it put done, and it put the Facebook ID, and it put a timestamp. That's what they call a timestamp. So that's what that does. Okay. So that's simple and easy a build. It's not very hard to do. It says it's error, but I know the error is not right because we just ran it. Let's see, and just refresh the page. Let's save this and then refresh the page. And it should be fine. Okay, there we go. So yeah, so this is the build. This is a simple build. It's very easy. Again, it's to take about 15 minutes for somebody, 15, 20 minutes, somebody who's a pro. And if somebody's having a little trouble, it might take 30 minutes. Okay. So this is a really good build. If you're interested in more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in any specific kind of build that you want me to do on any automation, put that in the comments. Okay. So this is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the community as well as chat with you in the comments. I will talk to you later, and you have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.